Families and traits. Activity 1. Imagine the two dogs below were parents of a litter of puppies. So imagine that this dog is the dad and this dog is the mom. What traits do you think the puppies would have? What would the puppies look like? So I want you to think, what would their fur look like? What would their ears look like? What would their tail look like? Maybe their size, their color, the different traits that would be true about these dogs, about these puppies. Draw a picture of what you think the puppy would look like. Then explain in the chart below what traits the puppy would get from each parent. So right here, traits the puppies would get from this parent. So you list, maybe you think the puppy would have this parent's pokey ears. So you would type that in. And any other trait you think the puppy would get from this dog. And over here you could type any traits you think the puppy would get from this parent. Maybe it would have its fluffy fur or poofy tail. It's up to you. You'll write the traits that they get from each parent in the yellow boxes.